Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now wait a few seconds, swipe down notification bar, tap for other USB options, this device, and now let's go to My Files app, and your USB storage is available on the bottom of the list. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.